And what's wrong with people on Clubhouse? I mean, people, why are you playing Kill Marry Kill?
What? What?
I
क्या?
I
Wait a
turned
second,
I
what?
I okay come let me come to it. मैं उठता हूँ दिन में, ठीक है?
हाँ.
उठा, थोड़ा स्ट्रेच वेच किया, खाना वाना खा रहा हूँ, मैं अपना ऑफिस जाने के लिए तैयार हो रहा हूँ. ऐसे क्लब हाउस खोलता हूँ, ऑडियो ओनली है, सो आई एम ईटिंग माई फूड एंड आई ओपन क्लब हाउस एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस विद माई पिंकी फिंगर. I knew Clubhouse was announced for Android like a week back, and I'm just going and I see Kill, Marry, Hook Up, Sex, Clubhouse hottest singles. That's one room. I go, nah. Then I go, Clubhouse hottest singles, shoot their shot, Desi.
How the fuck are you doing that on audio?
I go, nah. Brown people, NRI, shoot their shot. That some brown people room. I go, nah. Then there is this one room.
Who do you follow, bro?
I don't know.
What
It
is
was
your
on my
hallway
Explore.
showing up?
It was in my Explore tab. My hallway was quite good, quite neat. People discussing ideas, people discussing startups.
AMA, startup, Indian startup.
I go further down, down the drain, and then I see this room that says NRIs stuck in India waiting to go abroad.
Yeah. Very sad life.
Yes, very sad life. I mean, there is a global pandemic outside. Waiting for outside. What are you guys talking about? What are you guys talking about? Let's NRI हो तुम, वीजा है तुम्हारे पास, तुम यहाँ आए क्यों? अगर तुम्हें यहाँ बैठ के बात करनी है, हम वापस कैसे जाएं?
But like what? Okay, I'm not saying this is not to say Clubhouse cannot be for fun, right? How the fuck are you doing shoot your shot on audio? You can't even see the person.
Exactly. I don't know, man. What kind of people are coming up with audio only fetishes? But it's my say that guys, please stop that on Clubhouse, or else you'll make
ASMR. Okay, ASMR is happening.
Oh yeah, ASMR. Yeah, they have a market, entire market, internet market for ASMR.
ASMR was like, that's the technology I was waiting for.
Where are the flying cars? Hey, it's 2020. Where are the flying cars? We have ASMR on audio. What?
Yeah, people in 1990 thinking 2021 would be flying cars. 2021, Kill, Marry, Hook Up on Clubhouse. Hello guys, welcome to our room. So glad to be here.
People are sharing links with their profiles to their Insta. Yeah, you can link your Instagram.
I have trouble understanding people who. So okay, we were talking about having a room, right?
Yeah.
And we just might after shitting on Clubhouse for the
We
last
just
2 minutes, we just might make a club. You make a club, you make a room for 3 weeks or 2 weeks, and that turns into a club, right?
Yeah.
We might. But I do not understand जो लोग ऑडियो में गेस्ट लिस्ट में they're not even speaking anything, जो वेट करके सुन रहे हैं. How much time do you guys have? What is up with your life? Even if someone is discussing Indo-US venture capital firm nature and all that jazz, startup ideas, I don't care what the discussion is. What are you doing? If you don't have anything to say,
Exactly.
okay, if Eric Weinstein is saying something, I understand, right?
If any of the top personalities say
If anyone like, if Nawal Ravikant speaks, we listen. That's a rule. He's a king. That's how it works. But what? I don't understand.
So
what the room guys doing?
The room Parekh saw me giving my introduction on stage.
Yeah.
It had like 50 to 60 people just sitting and listening.
Sitting and listening. What are you guys doing? It's breakfast time on a Saturday. you don't have a life. What?
It's pretty fucked up scene.
I was there to listen to him. He spoke. You went away. I opened my Instagram. That's what the life I live is. Like, what are you guys doing? Who are you listening to?
I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know why do you want to. It's like just stalking someone talking. It's like two people are talking. They know you are here. You know they both are talking, and you're just there listening. You're just like.
And it's very rare that a revolutionary conversation is happening on Clubhouse. Like,
Exactly.
okay, it's valuable. Yeah, okay.
You can
All
network.
right, you can network, but how much of that network is actually meaningful? Like,
0%. I do not know my followers. I do not know who am I following. I followed Mark Zuckerberg, but again I unfollowed him because he's a guy less of ethics. Again, I followed Elon Musk, but he never came back on Clubhouse.
because he has things to do.
Exactly.
Guess what? I was
Yes.
like, Joe Rogan was talking about this. He was like, I asked Nawal.
Yeah.
Like, Nawal was talking about all these things he does and stuff like that, and he asked him like, but you spend all your time on Clubhouse. And and he said, Nawal was like, yeah, that takes a lot of time. I'm in trouble, bro. Please save me. Why would you listen to people coming on stage telling everyone about their thing, what to do?
You can
and
network that way. There's this one point that you can network that way, that people come up and introduce themselves that, hi, I'm a graphic designer and I can design the shit out of you, and my company needs a graphic designer, and we go, I connect, follow with them. But there are I'd say
But how much of that
1%
would be like
chance-
meaningful?
yeah,
right?
exactly. 1% chance would be there that again there is a coincidence that I follow that guy and we are in the same room, and we might have a room that is about conversation and not just, come on the stage, introduce yourself, and then fuck off.
It's like, what are you trading? You trading your time for that. I think it's with every social media.
I waited 25 minutes to just come on stage and say that I have a brand that deals in
For 6
perfumery,
followers,
and
I think it was worth it. I don't know what this guy is thinking.
it took me 25 minutes to come to my turn and to introduce them to my brand of perfumery, to introduce them to myself and my co-host Parik Sethi, and I gave him a shout out.
Yeah, I was in the list. I was in the speakers list, but because he was the speaker, I was in the followed by the speakers
Yeah,
list.
the
So there
list
were 3
above the
people on there.
ordinary.
Yeah, so I was like above the ordinary, listening to this shit. and the host is like, oh, that's very nice. Guys, if you're looking for a perfume, if you're looking for a new podcast, you
Yeah.
should definitely check them out.
Exactly.
Stuff like that. Very nice. But it's so HR, PR oriented thing. It's so not even fake, because obviously he or she's a nice person. Like they're not like
They're
faking
moderating it.
they're moderating, they're having a thing, but like it's just not fruitful to the extent that you allocate your time for that.
Exactly. 25 minutes for 6 unknown fucks. That's the worst trade-off in my life. And the 6 unknown fucks that I don't even know what they do and how they can contribute to me. I just don't even know their name. I forgot all 6 of them. There was some Anglo-Indian person, some person who is an NRI in UK, who is NRI in Canada, who is NRI in Australia, and they all just followed me with their faces.
Back when like Clubhouse was like very exclusive, we jumped on it very early, right?
Yeah, we jumped.
So
He begged me for an invite, and I got him an invite in 2 days.
yeah. So we were on like very early when Paul Davis used to come every day and explain to everyone what Clubhouse is and how do you go about
I
it.
attended one of those meetings where Paul Davis was there.
Oh, his name is Paul Davis, right?
Yeah. Let's just do a quick.
Paul Davis'
Davison, yeah.
He's Paul Davis' son, right? So he used to come on shows. He used to have like a
I attended one
newbie
of those.
beginners.
I attended newbies and beginners on 101 How to Clubhouse. So I attended one of Paul Davis's, a room. I was there in the room where he was telling that this is an audio only platform. You can connect. You can link your Instagram. You can link connect your Twitter, and the bio limit is like 200 characters, so you can be vivid about it, and you can write shit about yourself.
That was the time when it was like very exclusive, and Indian rooms were like very rare.
Very rare, super rare.
So there was this Indian startup club. I'm still a member of it.
Same.
And I think it's the best thing I've found on Clubhouse
It's
comparatively.
It's good.
Right. And the conversations were actually meaningful, right?
Back then.
Because now they struggled with it, right? They were like, ask us if you want to start a room with us, right? Because you everyone, I saw this woman who was having a room. So you can have rooms in the name of the club.
Yeah.
This woman used to have a room named Meditation and Mindfulness under the Indian Startup Club.
Why? Brown being browns. Once you go brown, everything lets you down.
What the fuck are you doing? Why are you? So you're a fucking parasite. You're just leveraging the club and its members so you can promote yourself.
Yeah.
So first of all, you can't grow on your own. You're admitting to that.
You're a parasite. Okay,
And now you're using for an unrelated reason. If you want to use the platform, start something that caters to that platform's name, right?
Caters to that very, very topic. That it was
And then it stopped. The Indian Startup Club prevented everyone to start a room just like that. They just open it for weekends now, I guess.
Yeah.
And as a result, there is not a lot of activity on the Startup Club.
Yeah.
So it suffered as well as they suffered.
Yeah.
What for? The conversation is not happening anymore because there are so many people who want to just use and
Leverage it, you know, for their personal gain.
Because you gain say 10 followers and 2 people check out your Instagram, 1 follows you.
Yeah.
That's how it goes.
So my experience on Clubhouse was also, you know, something of a bumpy ride. At first, it was hard to figure out how to use Clubhouse, but when I got a gist of it, when I got, you know, the let's just say the uska chaska chada ki bhai roz I used to open up my phone. I used to be on Clubhouse daily. I used to listen to 21 Savage. He's a very good, you know, music artist, and he used to discuss what goes into music, and I'm invested myself into music, so he gave out tricks, tips. Then there was I guess Marshmello. Was it Marshmello on Clubhouse? And 3Love and all these, you know, artists were coming on Clubhouse daily.
So
whenever I used to
he
open
used to come as well. The lead singer of Ryan Tedder used to come on.
Yeah, Ryan Tedder used to come on Clubhouse. So, you know,
Gary Vee was on there.
Gary Vee was there.
Now he's stepped back. I never see Gary Vee on Clubhouse because he has fucking things to do in life.
Exactly. Not just be there to sit and wait for his turn to introduce.
He would much rather do a Zoom call where he does like tea with Gary Vee.
Yeah.
And actually help people rather than just talk about stuff he could put out in a video.
Exactly.
Waste his time sitting in a place because it's audio, but you can't drive and do a Clubhouse chat,
exactly.
Right? You have to unmute. You will be in an accident.
Clubhouse is just a formalized Discord, audio only. Or Clubhouse is just like that WhatsApp call with everybody turning off their video.
I think Clubhouse at the start was so attractive.
It was.
Because obviously audio is the future. We are making a podcast.
Yeah, audio is the future.
But the beauty of podcast is you can consume it at any time you want.
While driving,
running, doing anything, cooking, doing your chores, anytime you want.
Yeah.
When Clubhouse came up, it was like a gold mine of conversations. Interesting people, interesting topics, and people conversing with each other. Very attractive idea. There was actually a debate this would eat up podcasts.
Clubhouse, yeah.
There was an actual debate, and Joe Rogan was like, "Shut the fuck up."
Yeah.
Podcast will always have a place until something revolutionary comes in. Why Clubhouse is not that anymore? Because so many people are on there. It's just the value of the conversation has gone down. Right? Because when you have abundance of food, you don't value food anymore.
Exactly.
Right? It's just horrible at this point. I don't know what to do with Clubhouse anymore.
Even I don't know. Even I'm super confused. You know, my friends, my Android buddies.
Yeah. This Samsung Stan is a fucking turncoat. He's a Manchester United fan Monday. The next day he turns up in blue, says Manchester is blue.
No, that's not that. First of all, both of
you have a fucking iPhone on the table.
That is
you used to say मैं कभी iPhone नहीं use करूँगा.
That is to say that this is my first ever iPhone that I had in my
You
life.
just said Clubhouse went down the hill when it opened up for Android.
अरे हाँ यार, but I can explain now.
अच्छा, okay.
Android had Discord all the time. Everybody had Discord all the time. Why do we even need Clubhouse? अरे सर, इसकी मत सुनो. मैं बता रहा हूँ ना.
You were talking about your Android buddies.
So when Clubhouse was introduced for both major platforms, and my friends who have an Android, they called me up and they said, "Yeah, we know that you are on Clubhouse. So how's the invite system and how does it work?" I was like, "Dude, I have 9 invites. I'll give you 1, and you will get 3 more. And invite your friend, and so on and so forth. Build a chain. Nobody cares. Go fuck yourself."
There were like 2 invites when we were on there.
Yeah, I
and
had
2,
to.
and you
I gave one to this parasite on Clubhouse. This motherfucking leech had one of my invites, and he was planning to sell his boat. What a leech! I said you got those 2 invites because of me, but this leech motherfucker said those are my 2 invites, and I will not give you any fucking share out of that.
I didn't sell them. And now I have fucking 7 invites.
I have 9.
What do I do with that?
Again, I have 9. You can also bring people on Clubhouse without using your invites. That is, if one of your contacts try to join in, you just let them in and it does not eat up your invite.
So basically everyone is on Clubhouse.
It's just that it is a slow process. So it makes it, FOMO. It creates a FOMO. Fear of
I would
missing
like
out.
to actually find out how many people join Clubhouse and then not use it. It would be more than 70% because it's like LinkedIn. You join LinkedIn,
But you then not use it.
then you don't use it.
I use it.
Then you come again when you realize, okay, there's value in this, and then you start using it, right?
Yeah. But with
Because तब जब आप LinkedIn join करते हो, you die from FOMO.
yeah.
You die from feeling inadequate. Then
Yeah,
you
you
revive your life back again.
You add those 2 online course certificates on LinkedIn.
हाँ.
Dear connections.
Yeah.
With proud, I'd like to inform you that I have done Google Digital Marketing course. सबने करा भाई, तूने मिले नहीं करा, सबने करा. मैंने करा, मैंने डाला भी नहीं Google. मैंने कहा हर किसी बंदे ने कर रखा है.
Yeah, so it's like a 2 life process
Yeah.
when joining LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Clubhouse, when you join, you don't know what the fuck is going on.
Somebody is talking some shit to some unknown fucker, and then you're just there sitting listening. Then you raise your hand that this fucker is saying something.
Open
that I
Clubhouse
don't
and read out like.
So I'll read out my
What?
hallway. What is on my Clubhouse? This goes right here. Sound spa, music for meditation, sleep, work, and contemplation. I'd open Spotify.
So okay, let's go. Open mic for artists, performers assemble. Seems
Good enough.
good enough. That can work as a stage, right?
It can. It is saying that we are a state.
I don't know what the fuck is this. This is some Malayalam shit right here. Who is minority? Question mark. Do numbers alone define it? Question mark. Let's discuss.
Wow.
Don't do that. People versus BJP number 9. Emerging superpower to fail state in 7 years. So this is like-minded people talking
There
about
are
like-minded things.
There
There are
335
335 people in the room and 20 are fucking talking about politics.
You just don't want to.
315 people in the world are wasting their time right now.
Listening to 20 fuckers talking about something that won't make a difference.
How to ruin a successful business? Come and speak or listen. Now this has 46 people speaking, 331 are losers. I don't know what this what is happening on this. Why are so many black Muslims silent about climate? Oh, shut up.
So it goes.
How many
down.
black Muslims are silent about Palestine?
Black Muslims.
You're discussing that on
Clubhouse.
I have nothing more to say.
We have seen enough for the day.
This shit show is about to end very soon. This might just blow up. I don't know. It doesn't seem right. Something
If it
feels
had to
off.
blow up, if it had to blow up, it would have just.
It feels okay to an extent. It might just have
I
blown up.
really want to explore what other rooms are talking about more. I don't know. They sound so funny.
This section is funnier.
This is super funny. Let's just talk about political news, okay? 1K followers. I don't know what is written in Malayalam
Malayalam
or is it
again.
in Thai.
What the fuck?
Choose your fab. Choose your fab DP. That's display pic and describe. So this has 210 fuckers listening and 20 fuckers talking. Thank you, Android. Now,
What the? I don't want to listen to these guys.
so
Fuck
they're
off.
talking about how dhoti kurta is sexually appealing, and
I don't know, man. I don't know. What
this
the
shit
fuck is
done.
going on?
This shit is done. Let's discuss something else. I'm done with this clubhouse thing.
I don't know, man. I don't know how this app actually scales to something meaningful.
You know, this app would have been a lot better if it would have been available to Android and iOS both at the same time. So it's just that there is this new app Clubhouse and there is this low shit of inviting people and you only get number of invites. So it would have been a lot better. What do you think?
I think this. I don't know how to actually scale audio rooms.